This is the blue list. Number 1, zebra. I saw a zebra eating grass at the zoo. Number 2 is vest. It wasn't so cold, so I wore a vest to rake the leaves. Number 3 is zoo. Our class went on a field trip to the zoo. Number 4 is van. We parked the van by the river and then went fishing. Number 5 is yard. We raked leaves in the yard until it got dark. Number 6 is yarn. I knitted a sweater out of blue yarn. Number 7 is vice. The vice president needed to go to meetings all afternoon. Number 8 is yip. The puppy just kept yip, yip, yipping to get my attention. Number 9 is zap. There was a large zap when the electricity went out. Number 10 is yellow. I saw a yellow sun in the background of the painting.